In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. After finding all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them and click on Select All at the top right corners. If there is multiple sections, or select this icon with a check mark also at the top right corner. Now tap on any photo you wish to leave, and to get rid of the rest, tap on Remove at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!